all are ready to go and ski. Here's everyone. Excited, Bolu?
Very excited. First time trying it, so let's see how it goes.
Okay. Azim bhai, are you excited?
Excited, Wali.
What about you, Ruhi?
Oh, I'm excited. Just feel very discomfort.
Okay. Yeah, me too. And Ammi Jan is sitting somewhere upstairs in one of those windows, but I don't think she will see us, and we don't see her either. Alright, let's begin. So we have to go from here, and then we'll go from there, and then we will wear the ski. Here is mine. No, here is mine. Going for skiing. Here is everyone. Hi.
What happened?
Excited?
Yep, very much.
Excited?
Excited, Wali.
Excited, Ruhi?
Yeah.
I'm nervous and scared. Let me show you the view. This is like an escalator that takes us to a little bit of the higher part, and this is like a slope from where we can ski down. And yeah, this is not too high like the lift. The lift would take us to a few hundred feet higher. I'm ready to fall. I just hope I don't break my bones. And hopefully we'll make good memories here, inshallah. So Azim bhai was having some problem with his ski boots. He had to take him off, and then he was trying to get back to it again. Meanwhile, we started our photo shoot. Getting into the boots is very difficult because you cannot twist or fold the boots, and you have to really push your leg in there. And yeah, the boots cannot be folded or twisted, so it's very hard. And I think it's to avoid you from falling and breaking your ankle. But it's at the same time, once you fall, it's very hard to get up because you cannot move your feet. We are all set. Our shoes are on. Shoes are on. Shoes are on. Skis are almost on. We're all set. We're gonna go up and then start. Bolu. So this video is after we skied for a while and we fell down a lot of times, and you can see Azim bhai at the far end. He's trying to get up, and this was the last time Azim bhai and Ruhi skied down this slope, and they didn't come back again because it was very difficult and we were falling again and again. The problem was not that we were falling. The problem was like getting back up, which was very, very difficult and was taking a lot of time. So Bolu and I, we both got stuck on top of the slope because it was very difficult for us to ski down. We were not able to stand up because it was so slippery, and we had to take our ski off because we wanted to get up once we fell. And after that, it was hard to put the ski back because the bottom of the boot was filled with snow, ice, and it was not getting off. So we are done with the skiing. We returned the shoes and the ski and everything, and it was a disaster. Thankfully, we didn't break our bones, and we got a lot of help. I think so. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, you know you were. Yeah. So there people are very nice. They were trying to help us, but oh my god, the bad thing about this is like you won't be able to you know, once you fall you won't be able to lift yourself up very easily. It is very tough. You have to let your maybe we'll eat something, ski off. We're so tired and you have to, our knees are hurting. You have to and try to lift yourself, like I was aware of the bones which I never knew existed in my body. हम हैं यहाँ पे, हम भी थे तुम्हारी बॉडी में छुपे हुए. my god, it was tough. But at
Trust
least we
me, the
tried
view
it.
from here
So
was
good
spectacular.
that,
And I think there's a
you know,
name of this bridge which I
experiencing
don't
something new.
remember. Anyways, the only thing I was thinking about, like, what if we had gone to the top of the mountain? How would we have come down? I think they would have never forgotten us after that.
So after that, we took some food from McDonald's and coffee from Starbucks, and we headed to the to Chicago. But we just stopped by here. This is the Lake Superior Bridge, and we just stopped by here to have a look at it because this is also one of the tourist attraction, you can say. And we just had a quick stop by. We looked at the lake, and it was kind of frozen, half frozen, and then we went back to the road. So this is the same bridge that we saw from the Lake Superior, and we had to go through this to go to Chicago. And yeah, now we are heading to Chicago, and I hope you guys like this video. And for more fun videos from my channel, do subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I know that you guys are liking my channel or my videos, so I can make more videos. That will motivate me. And I thank you so much for watching my videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.